हाँ भाई तो बालाजी लिखते हैं कि बोर्ड
अलग ही बोल रहा है जाके ये मैं पहले अभी तुम पूरी
क्लास में होता है
ये भाई
इसका जगह अरे वो क्या
तो ये क्वेश्चन पता है ना मैं आज ब्रेक पढ़ूंगा कर दी यार खाती तो
ये रात के 3 बजे से 9 बजे की बात की पहले रात के 3 बजे से बात
तो सोता है मेरा नाम हाई
अभी के
अरे इधर की तो पीछे बैठी वो
मेरे से क्या पूछ रहा है ध्वनि से पूछना ध्वनि से नहीं कर रहा हूँ मेरा ऑलमोस्ट ये लोग एक ही पक्का तू तोड़ने वाले
What happened? Who? But what happened?
Today she was doing that much.
Good morning, Leon. Good morning, Leon.
Good morning, sir.
Morning started fighting, you know. How are you all? Half the people doesn't know how to wish good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Now we can come inside. Who is it? At home, anybody is there? Good morning. Ritu, how are you? Very sad. You are very fine. Yes, you are in only. Come. Vaishnavi is homework teacher. All of you done the homework now?
Yes, sir.
Vishal done the homework? Where is your friend?
Absent today.
After today. Sit down a bit. Shani shifted you like this. They send you out from there. There is one more. Tell your partner. All sitting one corner. Where is your partner? What was the homework?
8.1 and 8.2.
Done. He has done.
Yes.
You have your own group has done.
Yes, sir.
You take the yes,
Yes, I did.
so again you check the homework. All of them done. You are done. You check everyone. Check everyone. All done. You also have all done. Ready? Check everyone. About him. Hey, what? Vishal.
One page only. Sir.
Done only one page. Oh. How many questions are there to standard? Either that. Homework not done. Parent come and meet. Why you not doing? This lady is going, no? Every day same thing going. What is special project you? You have who are there from your class? Especially she has given an income. They are not doing the project. How do you know? Project you have done? You are doing. You are doing. Then you are doing. You are doing. Only Ritu not done the homework. Stand up. Those are not the who's supposed to take it out? Why you can late today? All of you stand up. All of you stand up. These are the front line which are on the school. Okay, those that run the office is down there. Shall we run the office? I don't know. Where is the offer, Ritu? Ritu, do one thing, you will be staying back today. Okay? Huh? I think there is one completely wrong calculation. Sit down and you will do that. Okay. Alright. In last class also the same problem was there. Yeah? And you say it back? No. Today, before going home, he is telling me, I was this story to the no, I know. Umiraj, what is your problem? Why are you not doing that? Now, no, people know. Only one day people, almost 10 people came. 2 days. Yesterday, you did not come for the class. Now you have to find out. Now, perfectly fine now. So, why you want to show me this body? You can use the body. And then I will take it to this right. Okay? Who is your friend in the class? Same class. You're done?
Yes.
You're done? Any doubts or difficulties here? Yes. What is the doubt? Yes. What is the doubt? Tell loudly. 8.1 question 4. Okay. Tell what is the doubt? Read the question. Loudly, Ishani, read the question loudly. By the idea way, homework is done. Who did the homework? What is the homework? Copying from someone. Nobody healthy. Take one round and come. You promised me you'll be sitting over here. Then what are you? Shivam, you're fighting with him? Ritu is read. Why can't you read? She took. Ax cube. Stand up there. Loudly read. 4x plus
4x minus 10.
4x minus 10.
By x plus 3 is the remainder of 5.
When you divide by x plus 3, means the remainder is 5. So x plus 3 equal to 0 means x equal to minus 3. If leave the remainder 5 means f of minus 3 equal to 5. You don't know these type of questions.
Yes.
When the remainder is 5 means, is it kx cube or ax cube?
Ax.
And f of minus 3 means 8 times minus 3 cube plus 9 times minus 3 square plus 4 times minus 3 minus 10 is equal to 5. Are we followed? Ishani, you know what is minus 3 cube? You know what is minus 3 cube? minus 27 A.
Minus 21 plus 81.
Then plus 81 minus 12 minus 10 is equal to 5. Okay. 71, 61, 59 plus, so minus 27 A is equal to minus 54. CBD, what happens? CBD? Or when it is yes, today you are okay now? Take care of it. All of it are unwell now. So, no problem. It will be there now. Thank you. So, check up with you. Okay. She's unwell and she will not. They all run that. Vaishnavi, take care of us. She's unwell. Done all of you sign? Yeah. What is the other question, Ishani? You are done. If you follow same questions, we are done. Only the digits are done. Okay, read. 8.1 your problems are solved. 8.1 anyone got the problem? Bhumiraj? Yeah. Where is Paras? Yeah. Two x cube. Are this the breakfast you had? No, that's real. Ah. Minus 3x plus. This is equal to 0. This also we done a factorization. Do you know what is to be done? You take factors of 18. Do you know what are the factors of 18? Plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, 6, 10 to 9, 18. Put some value. Put x equal to 1. Hello? When x equal to 1, 2 into 1, 2, minus 7, minus 3, plus 18. So it will not come. 2 minus 7 minus 3. Okay, 18, 20 minus 10. Put x equal to minus 1. This will become minus. This will remain minus. This will remain plus. 18 plus 3. That also will not. This way, one by one values you have to find out. Check with x is equal to 2. Should I do? 2 cube, 8 2s are 16. Minus 28. Minus how much here? 6 plus 18. 34 minus 34, 0. When you substituted x equal to 2, therefore this value f of 2 is equal to 0. Are you followed this one? Then when f of 2 equal to 0 means what? X minus 2 is a factor. Do you know how to divide? I did tell now. Division you know. Yes, last class we didn't know. You were there in the last class now. Division of polynomial. If you don't know, I will ask someone to do for you. Shall I ask? You want to see the division? You can do it. If you want, I will tell somebody. There are people who will do. You want to see? No. So division and remaining. You have doubt in division. Tell her fast. Huh? Yes. Come and do and divide. Fast. Whatever you want, tell her we will do. But the trigonometry or there it will not come. This chapter is done now? Yes. We started with a new chapter? Yes. Did we tell what chapter to do? Did I tell? Plus 18. Bring plus 18. sign has to change and that, remember. Okay? What? Look.
Minus
3 into x is 9.
Minus 9.
So this is done. Then you take this and factorize. 2x square minus 3x minus 9. Factorizing by splitting middle term. Do you know how to do it? Yes or no? Should I ask someone to do? So then you will get all factors. Then getting the, after that one, get the value means f of x is equal to, you will write as first factor is x minus 2. Second factor, this is factorized and you whatever getting for second factor, third factor. Then second part is, this is the first part. Second part is solving. Equal to 0 means x equal to 2. This value is value. Okay now? Your problem solved? All doubts done? So today we go and complete our example. 2 is the leader, okay? 2, number are there with you? 1, 2, 3, 4. You 2:15 only you will be going, okay? That come with me, I will be doing the other part. Okay now. Sanskruti has done the homework. Tell me what is factor theorem? What is the factor theorem? Very not polynomial. Then
f of x divided by x minus 6
that is the remainder theorem. If f of a equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor. What is it? If x minus a is equal, no, what is it? If f of a equal to 0, x minus a is a factor. Or if x minus a is a factor, then f of a equal to 0. Okay, this is the part. Alright, Shivam, all fine now? Trying now? Just sleepy. Yesterday you went for IPS. Your favorite team is losing all the time. Tension. Are you winning or losing? They are going to get money. Don't take tension. Okay. Tomorrow test paper is there? Yes. What is no man. Next Sunday match. Trigonometry is not there. They are coming trigonometry, okay? Okay. So that's finally decided. Let this Sunday get over after that. Attendance sheet is this. We could have who is the sign for you? Shivam. Who is the error is not there? Police error is not there. Second lecture also you can sign the father. Sign same subject you can sign for both or least I'll bring the next like once again. Okay. So we will start with the next chapter. In between, I will give you some sums to do. That's these all chapters. Some revision work will do. Exercises are completed now. Yes. 8.1 and 8.2. All the questions are done. Yes. So both the classwork and all. Please go through the textbook once also. See it. Yesterday you went through. All okay now. My textbook is in time. So, see the questions, if it is something new is there, some new type of questions are there, please tell, so we will do it. Okay, now, so we will go to the, this is a 6th chapter done. How many chapters are there?
5.
5 are done, no? Yes or no? 6 chapters. Trigonometry is done. Okay, remainder factor theorem is done. Linear inequation done. 3, quadratic equation and 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. So, 6th chapter means almost, right, if you have studied, listen here. 6th chapter done means, right, if you go and appear your 10th ICC board examination, you should be in a position to get out of 80, minimum 35 marks. 35 marks, not even 35, I can press 50% to 40 marks. 40. 40, 14, 40. Okay, that much part is done. Think about how much you are done. If I give the ICC question paper, will you be able to get that many marks right away?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So prepare, okay. Are we by this one now pass? 35 well. Oh, very good. 35 well. With 35 you'll be happy. Out of 40, 35 get you close the book and read now. You go and listen to the last page and read standard. Standard now. Let me ask, since you said 35 now, what is tan square theta equal to? I can quite remember what? 35 low, 5 will be remaining. Yeah. Achha, she wanted to tell that. Okay, Dhani, what is cot square theta equal to?
Cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1.
Sure, now? Sit down. Okay. Today I'm not asking any question from you. After the completing homework today. Yeah. We are going to do the next chapter, that is arithmetic progressions. Okay. Favorite chapter of some people? Difficult chapter. It's easy. It's easy chapter, no? Yeah. Comparatively easier. Not that difficult. Okay. Now, all of you listen now. Yeah, arithmetic progressions. Pattern, you look here. Whenever you do any competitive exams are there, you appear you will get a pattern of numbers. Always there. Okay, these three numbers are there. Find the next number, next two numbers always. Okay, pattern of numbers. For example, if it is coming as 2, 7, 12. What will be the next number?
17.
17. 5 plus 5 plus 5. Yes or no? So you get. It's not necessary that way also. If I write as 1, 3, 9, 27. This 1 cube. 1 into 3 into 3 into 3. So it will be. So the pattern is coming. Okay. It is coming as 0, 3, 8, 15.
The numbers are the gap is increasing by 2.
Yeah, it's increasing by 2. This is I wrote as square minus 1. What is 1 square? 1 minus 1. 2 square minus 1. 3 square minus 1. 4 square minus 1. Next one will be 5 square minus 1. 6 square minus 1. 7 square minus 1. These way different patterns of numbers are there. These are called sequence of numbers. What is called? Sequence of numbers. So two sequences I wrote. That first sequence I wrote 2, 7, 12, etc. Okay, it's another sequence of numbers. Okay, sequence of numbers means a pattern of numbers. Okay, any pattern of numbers have a common rule. Maybe some different rules will be there. Okay, first, third, fifth have a rule. Second, fourth have another rule. Like that, different patterns are there. This sequence of numbers are there. Now, the terms. This is the first term of the sequence. Second term, third term. You all know over here what is the first term? 1. Second term? 3. Third term?
9.
Here first term? 0. Okay, so first term can be any number. Okay, even it will be, again I can write as, okay, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. What will be the next one?
1 by 6.
1 by 6. Who got 1 by 6? How did you get 1 by 2? Divided by 2 now, or multiplied by half. So again multiplied by half. Then 1 by 8 should come now. Yes or no? Are you followed?
Yes.
Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide. What is the next number?
1/60.
So that is a fractions can come even if it is taking a ratio. Okay, these are called the sequence of number system. Now, the terms are denoted by A1, A2, A3, etc. Or T1, T2, T3, etc. Or capital T1 also, capital T1, T2, T3, etc. Okay. A1 means the first term of the sequence. Therefore, here what is the value of it? All the same notations will be okay. Either some of them somewhere is T1, T2, T3. They are the first three terms. This also. What is the meaning of? Let's come to say this one. Okay. What is the A1 over here? 2. A2 7. A3 then A4 17. Like that it is going on. Here also you can find out. So meaning of A4. What is the meaning of A4? Fourth term of the sequence. What is the meaning of A20? 20th of the sequence. Okay, like that. What is the meaning of A0? There is nothing like that. Term is starting from, counting is starting from where? 1, 2, 3. So there is no. That means whatever is written over here, it should not be a fraction. It always should be a natural number. Okay, A1, A2, A3. No, we cannot write A3.5. Shivam. Okay, tell me what is the next term, Shivam, of this sequence? Tell the seventh term of the sequence. 1/64. How did you get 1/64? First term is what? Loudly. 1 by the second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. Then sleeping now. He's crying out. So don't worry, RCB will go and come. Don't worry, he's trying to okay. So that's why. So this one, this is not. So this is why counting you are done. Now, so I asked him only 7th term, so we can count under. If I ask you 70th term, you cannot count and do no. There is a common rule we'll find out. Then you can this one. Over here, if I write as AN, do you know what is the meaning of AN? Nth term. AR, Rth term. AP, Pth term. Not that capital AP. Okay. AN I can write as this is of the form 1/2 raised to n or 2 raised to n or something. Put n is equal to 1, 1/2 raised to 1. Put n is equal to 2, 1/2 square. What is 1/2 square? 1/4. N is equal to 3, 1/2 cube. Are you followed? This is a formula type you are getting us. Saksham, you are listening over here on. Okay, then what will be A10 will be here then? 1/2 raised to 10. A25, 1/2 raised to 25. If I can find out the formula this way. Here I can write the formula this way. An is equal to n square minus 1. Check. What is the value of A1? What did you get? A1 means replace n as 1. So what did you get? A1 is equal to 1 square minus 1. 0. A2 means 2 square minus 1. A3 means 3 square minus 1. A4 4 square minus 1. A25 25 square minus 1. 625 minus 1. Like that. Are you followed? So if I call this is called the nth term of the sequence or general term of the sequence. Which one is you replace? What is the A1 means? Replace n is equal to 1. When n is equal to 1, what do you get? A1 is equal to 1 square minus 1. What is 1 square minus 1? 0. Put n is equal to 2. 2 square minus 1. 2 square minus 1 is what? 4 minus 1, 3. So A2 is equal to 3. A3 find out. How will you find out A3? Replace n is equal to 3 square minus 1. 3 square minus 1 is how much? 8. Are you followed? So if you want to find out A10, what is the meaning of A10? You know? 10th term. Meaning is 10th term. So what will be A10? 10 square minus 1. 100 minus 1. 90. This one, you have to find out the form. There are ways are there to find out. Are you followed now? Okay, to find out a specific, this is called the nth term of general term of the sequence. So if an nth term is given, you can find out any term. Alright, if nth term is given, you can find out any term. Suppose it is given as an is equal to 3n square minus 2n plus 5. What is a3? What is a3? Loudly, I cannot hear. Are you telling? You are sleeping out? Stand up there. I said not to talk with each other. You can give the answer. So he's quietly sitting. How will you find out a3? And tell her then. Loudly speak. 3 into 3 square minus plus 5. So what is 3 into 3 square? 27 minus 6 plus 5. So how much you will get? So minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1 now, 26. 26. Like that you can find out. Yes or no? Same answer will you got no? Okay? So this is the way you will get as those. This way if I sequence the term. This is called what? General term or nth term. Are you followed? Substitute and getting. These are called sequence of numbers. Suppose it is given another sequence this way. Followed what is written out there?
Yes.
What is written out there? An is equal to 2 times an minus 1 plus 4. And where n is greater than 1. Okay, values n is and a1 is equal to 3. If I put n is equal to 10, what will you get over here? Put n is equal to 10. For example, just I am putting, what is it? N will replace as 10, what will you get? A10 is equal to 2 times 10 minus 1 is how much? A9 plus 4. Put n is equal to 20 over there. What will you get? Nobody knows something. A20 is equal to how much you will get? 2 times A19 plus 4. Are you followed the difference between? See, one of the sequence I wrote as an is equal to, let's say, n square minus 1. When n is equal to 10, what did you get? A10 is equal to 10 square minus 1, which is equal to 199. I got the answer directly. Or n is equal to 20 means A20 is equal to what you got? 20 square minus 1, which is equal to how much? 400 minus 1 is 399. Directly I got the answer. When I put n is equal to 10, what did you get? 2 times A9 plus 4. So immediately we think, what is the value of A9? Without A9 we cannot. Or n is equal to 20. When I replace, what did you get? Here it is A90. But we don't know what is the value of A90. So, but if I put n is equal to 2, what will you get? If I put n is equal to 2, what will you get? A2 is equal to 2 times A1 plus 4. Are you followed? How did you get? Just replace n is equal to 2. 2 minus 1. We have the value of A1. What is the value of A1? 3. Therefore, what will you get? A2 is equal to 2 times 3 plus 4. How much? 6 plus 1 is 10. So you got the value of A2 is equal to. Are you followed? Now, how do you get A3? A3 means what? Put n is equal to 3. And n is equal to 3, where is substituting, what will you get? A3 is equal to 2 times A2 plus 4. We got already A2. What is the value of A2? 10. 2 into 10, 20 plus 4. That is equal to 24. Have you seen? Yes. Without knowing the previous term, you cannot find out this sequence. Here it is, directly you can put the value. Here can you find out A10 directly? Is it the answer? No. For that one we need A9. How will you get A9? You should have A8. How will you get A8? You should have A. So that means if I wanted to ask you get the answer of this one means what all I need to find out? A2, A1 is already there. A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9. Not that easy. Imagine that still we can. If instead of n is 200, if I write. Understood now? So different types of sequences are there. These are, you don't have, but This followed how to find out. Sometimes you will get a question. Not in find first three terms of the sequence. Means A1, A2, A3. A1 is already given. How much is A1? 3. How will you get A2? We replace that is equal to 2. Therefore, we simplify that. A3 also followed. Are you followed? What you followed? Confused? Look now, this one, how find the first three terms of the sequence. How do you find the first three terms of the sequence? A1. What is the value of A1? 1 square minus 1. What? That is equal to 0. What is A2? 2 square minus 1. A3? 3 square minus 1. Same way we cannot do that one. We have to simplify and calculate that one. You have nothing to do, just forget this one. Thank you, teacher. Mr. Vishal. Okay. So this is the one. Now we are going, so these are called sequence. Sequence of numbers. So what do you mean by sequence of numbers? Pattern of numbers. So this is the rule. See, another rule I have shown. There are common rule directly you can get. So various rules are there. Pattern of numbers having a common property. Terms are denoted by A1, A2, A3, etc. Remember when I write 3, 10, 17. If I write etc. means these 3 dots is enough. Means how many terms are there? How many terms are there for the sequence? 3 terms only? Infinite terms are there. Okay. It is okay. This is the one, etc. means you put 3 or 4 dots enough. Understood or not? What is the first term of this one? 3. Second term? That means it is okay now. Okay. Terms are denoted by A1, A2, or T1, T2, T3, etc. Capital T1, T2, T3, etc. This much is clear?
Yes, sir.
So this. In this sequence, there are some progressions are there. Progression means a pattern of numbers progression. Okay. It can be increasing order, decreasing order. A definite order progressions are there. Out of which one, before the did I tell series? You will hear another word also called series of numbers. What is the meaning of series of numbers? These terms are connected with plus or minus. Again, these terms are connected with 3, plus 10, plus 17, plus etc. That is called series of numbers. Okay, sequence is connected with plus or minus, then you get as a series system. So, we are talking about the progression. Over there, you are going to study this year. There are 2 types of. Okay, there are 2 types of. So there are 2 types of progression we are going to study. One is called arithmetic progression, that is called AP. Second one is called geometric progression, GP. There are different progressions are there. Another progression is the harmonic progression, that is HP. You don't have this one. Higher later we study. Here we are going to study what is an AP. Okay, what is an AP? How to find out different terms. If it is this way, different kind. Some special terms, all these properties you are going to study. Certain properties of AP we are going to study. AP, who is studying in the school now?
We had just started.
You started, okay, what is an AP?
The one introduction we have done.
One introduction only, huh?
The introduction
Okay,
part
you-
of we have done.
I said that will give. You are done AP? Yes, Srishti tell today, Srishti tell what is AP? Whatever you know in AP tells. Otherwise, you don't.
Numbers that
Numbers.
are the pattern.
All patterns are there. I am doing 3, 4 patterns. All are easy. They are all pattern now. Yes, quite study is trying to locate.
The sequence that can be formed by adding or subtracting from the preceding one.
So it's no. Adding as so you not follow what is this thing. Look here. Series means not this one. This how will you make into series? 3 plus 10 plus 17 plus 24 plus etc. This is a series. Okay. What is that is something different. Okay. So right. All of you write the chapter heading. Then you can written. What is the chapter heading written? Arithmetic progression written.
Yes, sir.
Right. You know what you mean by terms of the sequence?
Yes.
What do you mean by terms of the sequence? The elements of the sequence. Okay, first term, second term. Terms. Now right. Terms are denoted by also. Do I need to make you to write?
No, sir.
T1, T2, T3, etc. A1, A2, A3, etc. Terms. Generally, both the ways they are given. Okay, both the way, any way you can take it. Okay. Now, right, what is that arithmetic progression? It is a sequence in which arithmetic progression. It is a sequence in which each term is obtained by. It is a sequence in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number. Each term is obtained by adding a fixed number with the preceding number. Each term is obtained by adding a fixed number with the preceding number. Preceding means you know what is the meaning of preceding?
Yes.
Previous number. Okay. If you want the preceding number other than the first term, for first term there is nothing to add before that. Okay. And why not? It is a sequence in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number with the preceding number. Yes. I. All fine now? All okay? So fixed. Are you followed now?
Yes.
So how do you get the term? Fixed number with the preceding term. Okay. That fixed number, one more line on second. This fixed number is called. This fixed number is called. This fixed number is called common difference.
Oh, yes.
Its fixed number is called common difference. Denoted by, you remember? D, small letter d. Common difference denoted by D. Okay. Are you followed? What is the sequence? Now you followed what is an AP? How you get the term? Adding a fixed number with the preceding term. How many tell me an AP? Give an example of an AP. 2, 4, 6. Stand up. 2, 4, 6. Don't stop over here, etc. Why it is an AP? It's an AP. Tell now why it is an AP. Every term is added with a fixed number, is it or not? What is the number added? 2. Should we start with the 2? Not necessarily. Okay. Okay. You tell me another AP. Loudly. Stand up there. 1 by, I'll write 1 by 2, 1 by 4, then 1 by 8. Okay, what do you add? How did you get no combination AP? Into. Adding means into. Is it an AP? Are your friends are telling you no? Okay, that one. It's an AP. What did you add? What is read the statement? What is written in your book? What did you obtain by adding, not multiplying? You multiply 1 by 2, no? So no. Understood now? So can you give another example then? 3. Huh? Should be added 3. You can add 4. Huh? 3, 6, 3, 9. What? Okay, 3. What are you going to add the number? 3, 6, 9. Let's say add 5 each. Then what do you get? 8. Okay. It's not necessarily saying 3 should be added. Okay.
So the pattern of 2, 4, 8, 16.
Yes, Sridhar. Stand up. 2, 4, 8, 16, etc.
Yes, sir. That
Is
is not
it an AP?
No, sir, because there is no addition.
So is it an AP? Nidhi wanted to tell. Nidhi, is it an AP? Nidhi, oh Nidhi, remove yes, full okay now. Vaishnavi, take care, remove the mask one out. Okay. Then sir, is it an AP? Why it is not an AP?
Because it's not added.
Not adding. Followed. Tell thank you to her. Okay, what you said correct. Okay, is it an AP? Not an AP. Why? Plus 2 is 4. Plus 2 is not 8. Understood now? Here it is multiplication. Is it Sanskriti? Is it an AP? You're okay now? Little more water you bring. Okay. Chalo. So followed now. AP. Now. Below right. The first term is denoted by small letter a. Don't write small a. The first term is denoted by small a, and the common difference by D. Common difference denoted by D. First term is denoted by letter A and common difference by D. Then what will be the sequence? Who can tell? Yes, Vaishnavi.
A plus C, A1 plus
Actually, A plus D. Then
A plus D is equal to A2. So
A plus D is equal to A2 plus D.
A plus D, then
A plus D.
is equal to A plus D.
Why did you hear what is my question? What is the sequence? Yes, tell it. A1 plus D.
A plus D, A plus 2.
Listen, stop. Every sequence is starting with which one? Starting with the first term. What is the first term over here? A. Then what is the next term? Plus D. A plus D. Then plus D. That is plus 2D. Plus D means A plus 3D. Are you followed or not? So it is started with which one? A, then A plus D, keep on going on. This is the sequence. Then the AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, comma A plus 3D, etc. Did you write? Then the AP is. So you can remember this way also. What is an AP means? You can write a sequence which is of the form which form? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. Where A is the first term, D is the common difference. Okay, below right. The terms are denoted by terms, terms are denoted by T1, T2, T3, etc. Terms are denoted by T1, T2, T3, etc. So what is the value of T1 here? A, T2, A plus D, T3,
A plus 2D.
are you followed? So below you write in an AP, T2 is equal to T1 plus D. Second term is equal to first term plus D. T3 will be equal to how much? T2 plus D. Then AP is coming out. Okay, so what will be T10 will be equal to T9 plus D. Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay. Tn is equal to Tn minus 1 plus D. Understood or not? Nth term is equal to n minus 1 term plus D. Means previous term plus D. Okay? Understood?
Yes.
Next step we can write. Therefore, T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3. All will be equal to how much? Is equal, etc. is equal to D. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any two terms, second term minus first term, are you followed? Sure. So write down. Not sure. Huh? Not followed. Not sure. So see here this minus this you counted. What is A plus D minus A? History, why do you? A and A is cancelled, what did you get? Okay. A plus 2D minus A plus D. Open the bracket. A and A is cancelled, 2D minus D. Okay. What is also D? Yes or no? Are you sure now? Not sure or sure? Sure or not? Maybe sure.
Not sure.
If it is an AP, make it sure. Okay, write down. This is equal to D. Okay. Okay. So follow now.
Yes.
So you know what's an AP. Okay. So write the AP. Write the sequence. Whenever you write the sequence, write 4 terms. If A is equal to 3, D is equal to 5. Write the sequence. A is equal to 3, D is equal to 5. Did you write? What is it? On sequence you write, AP you write. Write the AP. Who got it? Nobody got. Yes, Srishti. 3, 8, 13, 18, etc. Yes, the answer should be this way.
Yes.
Written all of you?
Yes.
3, 8, 13, etc. Very good, Vishal. Is they are all correct, so you are studying now. No. No. Okay. Next. If A is equal to 5, D is equal to minus 4. Write the AP. A is equal to 5, D equal to minus 4. Write the AP. Don't need to write these all, just directly. Don't need to write that. Okay.
Done.
Six or 5. Why it is going on? Look here. First is 5. Adding minus 4 means 1. Next is minus 3. Minus.
-7.
Okay, when the write the AP means directly. You don't need to find out one by one. Directly you can write. Okay. If A is equal to 7, D is equal to 0. If A is equal to 7, D is equal to 0, write the AP. Where is the answer? This man is not writing.
7.
Who's laughing? Me? How many? I'm writing question, I'm writing answer, he's looking at half. Morning. Good morning. How are you? Did you wash your face?
Yes, sir.
Mommy has come from Rajasthan. You are going to Rajasthan? I'll call her.
Sir, this is not an no, this is
Yes.
So what is the AP you got, Reva? 7, 7, 7, 6. Okay, one more 7. Is it an AP? Is it an AP?
yes, sir. You can call it
Yes,
an
no.
AP, but you cannot.
We can call an AP, we cannot call an AP, he says.
So because 7
Yes,
minus
sir.
5 is 7.
I fix.
Sir,
Is
we
it
can
an
call
AP?
Yes, sir. It can
Is
be
that
called
an
an AP.
Yes,
It can be called an AP.
So right, you know right, in an AP, the value of D can be positive, negative or 0. Value of D can be positive, negative or 0. So is it an AP now?
Yes, sir.
All of you? Shruti.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry. Bhatia. Is it an AP?
Yes.
No, still doubt?
No, sir.
No. Okay, so these are AP. So you can identify it. Okay. Is it an AP?
Yes, sir. Yes.
How do you know? Who knows it's an AP? Yes.
Because 5 is getting added.
5 is added. So how do you write? Prove it's an AP formula. You will write T2 minus T1. What is T2 minus T1? 5. T3 minus T2. 5. Okay, if it is so if it is coming as 19, etc. Still it's an AP?
No, sir.
Why it is not an AP? 19 minus or T4 minus. So you check how many terms are there that you have to find identify. Okay. Now next is here. What is the general form of the AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. Then what will be T1 is equal to? T1 is equal to A plus D. A. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes.
Okay, T1 is equal to A. T2.
A plus D.
A plus D. T3.
A plus 2D.
A plus 2D. T10.
A plus 9D.
A plus 9D. Yes or no? See, T2 means this can be written as A plus 2 minus 1 times D. This can be written as what? A plus 3 minus 1 times D. This is same as A plus 10 minus 1D. Are you followed? Yes or no? What is A T100? T? No.
A plus 99D.
Sure no? Sure. What is T20? A plus 19D. Okay, T20 is equal to A plus 19D. What is TN?
Is equal to plus n minus 1.
A plus n minus 1 into D. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. What is TR? A plus R minus 1 into D. R. Okay, what is T Ritu? A plus Ritu minus 1 into D. Okay. Okay. What is TP? A plus P minus 1 into D. Are you followed? What is TM?
A plus M minus 1.
Okay, what is T2N? A plus 2n minus 1 into D. What is T m plus n?
M plus n minus 1.
A plus m plus n minus 1. Whatever minus 1 into D. Are you followed, all of you? Okay, so right. Below right now. This one. This is the formula you have to write. Tn is equal to. In an AP, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the first formula you are learning. So you learn what is an AP. This is the first formula. Right? Where? Right? It's an AP. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay? Where? A is the first term. A is the first term. D. What is D? Common difference. N. N.
Nth term.
N is
General.
N is general.
So A is the nth term.
N is the nth term. N. Complete. Simple. N. N. Then what is
N
D?
is the number of.
N is the number of terms. N is the number of terms. And Tn is the nth term. Tn is the nth term or last term or general term. Tn means nth term, last term or general term. All of them same meaning. Okay. So, if the question, listen here, formula learned all of you?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes, sir. No.
Shan. Vishani. What is the formula? The standard. Look at the formula tells Tn is equal T plus A plus times D. Okay, what is the formula? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Would be right. Follow now? You're okay now? But here, what are you doing? Sit properly. Okay. Now, so in this followed, what are the terms are there? Given this question, find the first term. What do you have to find out? In this formula, find the first term is what you have to find out? A. T1 is same as A. Okay. In this question, find in this formula, find the value of common difference. Whose value you find out? D. D. Which term?
N.
Value of n. Which term of AB is 64? So value of n. Find the 40th term.
Tn.
Tn. T40. Tn when n is equal to 40. Are you followed? When the question comes, Nidhi, are you okay now? She's not well. Are you okay? Sleeping or you're fainting down? No problem. No? Drink little water. Okay. Yeah. So this formula learned all of you? No problem. I asked everyone. You don't need one. Okay. Okay. Last one more formula. The same formula only. Last term is also denoted by. Last term is also denoted by L. Last term is also denoted by L. Last LAST. Last term is also denoted by L. Therefore, L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Sometimes you will see this way, both are same thing only. Okay, somewhere you will see this way, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Both are same thing only. An means nth term, Tn means nth term, all of them are same thing. Okay, followed now?
Yes.
Okay, this much is clear. So now right now we are discussed about this much. Any problem in AP? Then what AP difficulty?
It was started. Yes.
Okay, no problem now. Okay, easy chapter. So this much. What is the note in the last? Shruti standard. Today I did not ask anything from you now. Why? Because we shall turn this side. Okay. Okay, what is an AP?
So when there is a sequence of numbers and there is a common difference between the
When there is a sequence, there is a common difference. I have given one statement only. No, it is a sequence obtained by fixed number with the preceding number. And fixed number is called? Fixed number is not studied. Even you can remember what is an AP means, you can write a sequence is of the form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. Where A is the first term, D is the complement. Okay. What is the general form of an AP? General form. Just now I said no, same thing. What is the general form? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. What is A? First term. D, common difference. Any following?
Yes.
Tell some properties of AP.
So the number is added.
Number is added.
A fixed number is added.
That is an AP. Okay, something else. T2 is equal to T1 plus D. T7 is equal to T6 plus D. This one property if you know.
Yes.
Or T10 is equal to T9 plus D. You want to move on another property. T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3. All of them are equal to T. Here another property you need. Value of D. What you can know about value of D? Value of D. Any specialty for value of D? Do you know what is D? Standard.
Common difference.
Common difference. Common difference is always positive.
No.
Then
Can be 0,
it can be 0 or negative. Okay. If it is 0 means what? The sequence will be all fixed one. Yes, what is the nth term for an AP? Nth term for an AP. Tn. How do you find out Tn? Formula. Yes, now here what not Tn is equal to what not?
A plus n minus 1 times
Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 times T. That's the only formula I wrote. So what is, you know what are the terms? What is A? First term D. How many different N? Number of terms. And the Tn is the nth term. Okay. Done. Done. Okay, what is the formula for finding Tn? A plus n minus 1 b, that only no. So remember, nothing else no. Okay. So let's take the exercise. Then after that something is there, I will explain. Huh? Volume you take now. Take the page number. Huh? Who is that? This to what happened? Poor me. Poor me standard. Sarkar. Who is Sarkar? To Sarkar. Please standard. How are you? There is a competition going. This ID card is waiting. Yes, listen. With your tutor. Okay, page 90 to take. Will you give me an introduction? Just read loudly.
A group of numbers.
I can't hear.
A group of numbers which are arranged. A group of numbers which are arranged in a definite order following a certain rule is called a sequence. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8 is a sequence in which each number is 2 more than its preceding number. 2, 4, 16, 2, 5, 6 is a 256.
2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6.
All of you be quiet. Then I will ask the people to read the same kind of things now.
Is a sequence in which each number is square of its preceding number. 30, 27, 24 is a sequence in which each number term is 3 less than its preceding term. 5, 8, 6, 15 is not a sequence as numbers of this group do not have any definite relation with their preceding numbers. The numbers used in a sequence are called its elements or terms. When the numbers terms in a sequence are connected to each other by positive plus sign or negative minus sign, the sequence becomes series. Thus, 2 plus 4 plus 6.
Next, after the
Sequence and series are used in the same sense. When the elements of a series or sequence are written in a definite order following certain rules, we get a progression. For example, 3, 7, 11, 15 is a progression and a successive term of 15.
in the problem.
In a progression, its terms, elements are in such a pattern which can suggest the successor of every element of it.
Very good. Want to continue reading? Yeah. Okay. Okay. When you read. Yeah, wait on. What is it? Huh? 2, 4, 16. One term is missing. This 2 square is how much? 4 square is how much? 16 square is how much? This between is in a
Sequence of 18
plus. In the sequence, terms are added or subtracted. Is it a sequence 2, 4, 16? Not why it is not empty. It is not empty. Don't think it's an empty. This is not. There are things all are not empty. This is not an empty. Okay, just do it. We are not started empty. We are starting now. We are going to read. Okay. She's perfectly okay. Yes. Yeah. Read.
Arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers in which each term can be obtained by adding a certain quantity to its preceding term. In an AP, the difference between
Yeah.
In an AP, the difference between two consecutive terms is called the common difference and it is denoted by letter D. Thus, if T1, T2, T3 and so on are terms in AP, its first term is T1 and is denoted by A. So A is equal to T1, B is equal to T2 minus T1, which is equal to T3 minus T2, which is equal to T4 minus T3 and so on.
And so on. Okay, sit down. Shivam, stand up. Okay, read the next part. Which one? Which one? So, they are reading, huh? I was paying attention. Then what happened? Who is holding? Where is your holding? Keep it down. No space. No space. I am here. Space. Please. Read from here. Can you hear Reva what he is reading? No. Read now, please. Show read now, please.
When the first term of an AP is A and its common difference B, the terms of an AP can be taken as A1, A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, or A plus B plus A plus 2D plus A plus 3D. First term is equal to A is equal to A plus 1 minus 1D is equal to A plus number of term minus 1D. Second term is equal to A
Can
plus
you
1.
read the box? Read that box. What is it?
If an AP has only n terms, its nth term last term is denoted by letter L. Thus, an AP with term is equal to 8, common difference is equal to D, and number of terms is equal to N. We have L
It also be I. Everything will be I. And then B. Then L.
is equal to A
L is equal to
plus
A plus N minus 1 and D. Who is your favorite cricketer? RIP. How is that? Okay. So formula. Yeah. Done all of you? Okay. Take the exercise 10.1. अच्छा what are we wanted to do standard exercise 10.1 question number 1 read the question Shruti.
Which of the sequences are in arithmetic progression? First one.
He is okay, you are the problem taking. Yeah. Which of the following are in arithmetic progression? 2, 6, 10, 14, etc. Yes, is it an AP Shruti?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, because there is a common difference.
So write T2 minus, write down T2 minus T1. This page you write T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3. Everything is equal to how much? Etc. is equal to how much?
4.
4. Therefore it's an AP.
Yes.
Okay. Understood? As it is, don't copy down. Do think and do it also. Have we read the second part?
1/2, 1/3, 1/4, and 1/5.
Is it an AP, Avi? Why?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, is the answer. Find out all of it. T2 minus T1.
Sir, 1 is subtracted.
1 is subtracted. So it's an AP, Sriraj.
No, sir, it's not an
Then one is subtracted evenly.
So we can only fixed number should be added. Not
6. Okay, wait, all of you stop writing. Is it an AP, Sriraj?
We can be minus.
Is it an AP?
Yes.
So then the question which is given is an AP or not? It can be an AP. So what is T2 minus T1? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. How do you find out? So what is it? 2 minus 3. How much? Minus 1 by 6. T4 minus T3 minus T2. How much? 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. LCM 12. 3 minus 4. How much? Minus. Both are equal. Therefore it's not an AP. That's the reason not an AP. Understood? Not decreasing. Right, therefore both are not equal. T2 minus T1 is not equal to T3 minus T2. Therefore it's not an AP. Sequence is not an AP. Where are the steps are written? Next question, then continue the next question. If the pth term of the AP is 2p plus 3, find the AP. So write TP is equal to 2p plus 3. Pth term means what? TP. 2p plus 3. What will be the first term? How will you get the first term? P is replaced as 1. So how much you will get? 2 into 1. So then what is so right? If you want T1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 5. It's not required to write these all steps. 2 times 2 plus 3. How much? 7. T3. 2 into 3 plus 3. 9. T4. 2 into how many terms they asked? 11. Therefore the AP is, what is the AP? 3, 5, 7. Sorry, 3 is not there. 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. Are you followed?
Yes.
We found out the 1, 2, 3, 4 forms and made into the sequence form. This is TP means instead of N it is given P. So put P 1, 2, 3, etc. That's all. Hope all of you follow.
Yes.
Shivam, read the next question.
Find the 30th term of the sequence.
30th, 30. Okay.
1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2,
1 by 2, 1,
or 3 by
3 by 2.
2.
Now which term you have to find out?
30th.
30th term. Do you know how to find out? Listen. Is it an AP?
Yes, sir.
Is it an AP? Don't know. So how will you find out? Common difference find out. What is T2 minus T1?
1 by
1 by 2. T3 minus T2? 1 by 2. Yes or no? So first step you write the sequence is an AP. The sequence is an AP. At least if it is not mentioned, you must write. Okay, to identify means 1 can written as 2 by 2. 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2, therefore, they were. What is the value of A? What is the value of A? 1 by 2. What is the value of D? 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. We have to find out which term. N is equal to 30. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 times D. Therefore, T30 is equal to A is how much? 1 by 2 plus 30 minus 1 times 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 plus 29 by 2. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Look, T30 is equal to don't worry, there are ways of it. How many numbers do you want? Father's 2 numbers, mother's 2 numbers. All the papers I have. You want to see? Yeah. What the answer? How much?
15.
15. 20, 30 divided by 2, which is equal to 15. Why are you sleeping in the class? Then? Don't want to do the sum. Then? I can. Then do the next question.
Sir, can I explain that, sir?
Which step we have to, this you have followed, what is the sequence?
Yes.
Okay, now we have to find out which term. 30th term. T30. What is
Second.
this one?
Second sum.
Second start.
This one. What is the problem over here? It is like Tn.
Sir, it's written find the PN.
Find the pth term.
Yes, sir.
Read the question once again.
Find the AP.
So if the pth term of an AP
If the pth term of an AP is 2p plus 3, means this is the pth term. Find the AP. Understood or not? This is like Tn is equal to 2n plus 3. Are you followed? Therefore, n is equal to 1. N is equal to 2. So instead of n is p, that's all difference. Followed now? Still confusion? This one here followed. This much time you took to ask me. Acha, Ritu has a problem. Ritu is doing this one. What is your doubt in this one? Second step. This one. This one. D is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. Do you know how to subtract? Okay, now this also, this you have followed. It is given, find the 30th term, the n is equal to 30. Tn, this is the formula. Replace. Okay, now Avni, done. Read the next question. Find the common difference and 99th term of the 7 3 upon 4. Mixed fraction. Next. 9 1 by 2. 11 1 by 4. It's already given, it's an AP now. Is it given in the question, it's an AP?
Yes, sir.
Yes. No.
Yes.
Find the common. It's given. So no need to. So directly, first you can write what is the value of A. A is equal to how much? 7 3 by 4, which is equal to 31 by 4. How will you find out D? T2 minus T1. That is 9 1 by 2 minus 7 3 by 4. That is equal to 9 2s are 18, 19 by 2. 31 by 4. If you want to LCM take 4. 38 minus 31. 7 by 4. Hope all of you followed. Therefore, what is the common difference? First answer 7 by 4. Ritu, are you following? Just copying down what we are doing. Just the previous question. Now again she started the story. Yeah. Now what do you have to find out? 99th term means n is equal to 99. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is T99 is equal to 31 by 4 plus 99 minus 1 times 7 by 4. Simplify and get the answer, all of you.
So 170.
Yeah, I wanted to see who all are giving the answer. Combine for the name.
No, sir. She did.
She did. Continue doing. Every sum I will not do on the board to copy down. I will sleep. You have a problem with the right? Then move the question. What happened? Addition, subtraction? Why you are asking? How? Divided by 4. Why you have to multiply? This one cancel. Anyway, LCM you have to take now. Think and do it. 98 into 7, you know how much?
Yes, sir.
700 minus 14. How much? 686 divided by 4. No need to cancel. Addition is there. LCM. So how much?
717.
717. Mixed fraction you make it. 179 and then 1 by 4. Even common difference also make us 1 3 by 4. Because answer is in mixed fraction means question is in mixed fraction means everything make it a mixed fraction. Okay, 179 1 by 4. Don't wait for me to write. There are people purposely wait 2 steps so that I will write. Now we will write. Ritu, are you followed? Doubt? Avni read the Shivangi read the next question.
How many terms are there in the series? 0.5, 0.56.
Series? 0 point. 0.53, 0.56, etc. 1.1. How many terms means what? Find the value of n. Is it given an AP? Series is given. Is it an AP check? Yes or no? Subtract and see. 0.53 minus 0.5. 0.03. Even 0.3. So right. The series is an AP. The series is an AP. Series is an AP. Where A is equal to. What is the value of A? 0.5. D is equal to 0.00. You have to write. How did you get? You have to write. D is equal to T2 minus T1. 0.53 minus 0.5 is 0.03. Last term, either you write L or Tn, both you can write. Anyone. L is equal to 1.1. That's the last term. Value of n we have to find out. We have the formula L is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D. We have 3 values are there. Substitute, you will get the 4th value. Means we have L, we have A, we have D. Simplify and get the value. What happened? Are you following? Then do fast. Before everyone you should complete. Possible. What happened? L value also substitute. Both the sides substitute. L, those are written Tn also, there is no problem. Don't try to remove the decimals first. Simplify. Helping him, he doesn't need your help. It's a smart word. Put the value of all. You have all the values are there now. Sometimes what? 1.1 is equal to A is 0.5 plus n minus 1 times D is how much? 0.03. Then open the bracket, simplify, you will get. No. Who said no? I did you. You got the answer now? Then why are you doing? Faster. Done. Done. Susi done. Prasad done. One is correct now. Value given now. The plus value is 1. Look here. No need to open the bracket and now look here. See here, I will remove the 1.1 minus 0.5 is equal to n minus 1 times 0.03. Then this is how much? 0.6 is equal to n minus 1 times 0.03. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to 0.6 upon 0.03. Carefully remove the decimal. 60 divided by 3. N minus 1 is equal to 20. N is equal to how much? 20 plus 1 is 1. Yes, we can open, according to Sati, we can open also. Yes, we can open the bracket. There are lot of ways you can do very good. Okay, not only this one. whatever I done, it is not necessary you have to do, must do this way. Your own way you can do, but the answer will come as 21. My friend, please do something. Not to sleep. You opening the bracket also you'll get. It's not that you'll not get. Only careful, that's all. Decimals and all. Got the answer, all of you? Yes, Sanskruti, read the next question. Where break? One last.
Unexpectedly 6 and 5.
Read loudly.
If 5 and 6 term of AB are respectively 6 and 5, find the 11th term.
Okay, after break.
Thank you.
You go back and sit for 15 minutes. You are sleeping in my class. You never sleep.
Yes, why?